Hi everyone, welcome to the video. Today I'll be showing you how to screen record on Windows 10. To start your screen recording, you're going to want to press the Windows Start button and the letter G. To start your screen recording, you're going to want to press this button. And to stop your screen recording, you're going to want to press the same button again. After you're done taking your screen recording, you're going to want to go to the Xbox app and go to Captures. You open the Xbox app and go to Captures, you're going to want to click on one of your videos and then go down to Open Folder and then you can upload it to YouTube. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.